Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've installed the door handle emblem things. I can't remember what they're called, but anyway, so this is what it looks like, if you can look at it. So it came with the borders, but I didn't install it because I felt it looks quite silly with the border on. So I just installed just the backing, the part that I really was more interested in, which is this part right here. It's pretty straightforward. There's nothing really difficult. It comes with a adhesive promoter. It's like this on a wipe. It smells, the chemical smell is quite strong on it, but it's nothing that's overwhelming. It smells a little bit like liquefied super glue, and like I said, it's not harmful. I didn't use any gloves when I applied this stuff, so it's really straightforward. It's just a double-sided tape, kind of like what's on the back of this, but the double-sided tape on there, it has more of a spongy cushion kind of back, so it doesn't scrape directly onto the plastic door handle. One thing to note is that in order to remove the door panels, you need to remove the plastic piece here. It may become a problem when you remove the door panel thing off, but like I said, it's only on double-sided tape, so if it does pop off, you can always stick it back on. Just buy some extra double-sided tape. And so anyway, so I didn't put on the border, so like I was saying, it looks pretty silly. To me, this is what it would look like, and it's not really matching. It may have matched better if I had gotten a different color, but then again, the other color that comes with this kit is gloss black or a metallic blue, and the metallic blue is kind of a lighter metallic blue, so I don't think it would match well since the door itself is a matte black. So, and a glossy black would just make it more shiny, and then I don't know, I just feel that it doesn't match well. But I mean, you guys could leave a comment down below if you would like, and if there's a overwhelming enough portion of people that suggest that that this appearance would look better, then just leave a comment below and maybe I'll put this on. But for right now, I think it looks better like this. And I would like to thank all the new subscribers, also the new viewers. I realized that my channel is starting to take off, and I'm quite surprised by that. I didn't think I would actually get this popular. But like I said, thank you to everyone who's been subscribing and who's been viewing and supporting me. I really appreciate that. And I also read all the comments. I try to reply to everybody who leaves a comment. And if you, like I said again, if you guys have any questions, you can leave it down below too. I can help you out. And so this was for a 2019 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. This probably will fit on the sedan version as well as some other models. There was a list of cars that this thing would fit. So if you guys are interested, always, like I said, search around, find the best price for you. I try not to provide any links because the suppliers that I buy these things from, they always change price. And so I always want you guys to get the best price and find whatever is best for you. But if you guys can't find that, I can always provide you with a link that I have or that I purchased it from. But like I said, it's not guaranteed to give you the best price, especially nowadays. Shipping charges have been increased by so much that even to the point where I have been holding off on ordering some stuff. I don't know what's going on, but anyways. And to my Japanese viewers, arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you for subscribing. Channel登録してください. And yeah, so see you guys in the next video. I'll be posting up a video on the bumper cover. I haven't had a chance to post it. It's been raining, it's been cloudy, it's been hot. It's summer. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys.